In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an existing customer in QuickBooks. Whether you're streamlining your customer list or perhaps just tidying up your records, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. This initial step ensures you have the necessary access to perform any changes and manage your data. If you're working in a shared environment, make sure you have the appropriate permissions to make these changes before proceeding. Once you're signed in, head over to the Customers and Leads tab. This section is your go-to place for managing your customer information. You'll find it conveniently located in your navigation menu, likely on the left-hand side of the interface. This tab allows you to seamlessly access your entire customer database and perform modifications as needed. It's an efficient way to keep everything in one place, organized and easy to manage. After accessing the Customers and Leads tab, you'll want to click on Customers. This will take you directly to your customer list. Each customer is listed here clearly, along with all their associated information. It's the perfect interface to sort through and decide which customers need to be archived. Reviewing the list carefully ensures that you're making informed decisions about which records to maintain and which to make inactive. Now, find the customer you wish to delete. On the right-hand side of your screen, locate the Action column. You'll notice a small drop-down menu situated there. Clicking on the drop-down menu will present you with several options related to the customer records. From this list, you'll want to choose Make Inactive. Making a customer inactive is essentially QuickBooks' way of deleting or archiving the record without actually removing it entirely from your accounts. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep a history for potential restoration later. It's a great way to declutter without risking loss of important data, offering you the flexibility to maintain business records efficiently. Finally, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to make this customer inactive. For clarity and confirmation, click on Yes, Make Inactive. And there you have it. That customer record is now inactive, removing them from your active list and decluttering your QuickBooks environment. With these few simple steps, you've efficiently learned to manage your QuickBooks customer list, making sure it's up to date and reflecting only current important client information. Remember, managing a tidy and precise customer database is crucial in maintaining smooth business operations. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in QuickBooks.